potential. Okay, right. Most of the families, and therefore most of the children we work with, come from very disadvantaged situations. In Cambodia, because education is not free and oftentimes not easy to access, we support the children and their families in order to stay in school. Sometimes that's as simple as helping them to get registered, because sometimes they have to change schools, they have to re-register in a new school, and sometimes that's very difficult and confusing. Once we have a child registered in school, we help them with all of their school supplies, their books and their notebooks and pens and pencils, uniforms. But then more importantly, because here in Cambodia the children must pay a fee to their teacher on a daily basis, we provide the money in order to pay those teachers' fees. For high school, where there's even more of a necessity to pay the teachers in order to get the correct learning materials and the correct information for the classes, we help those children as well. So in primary school, which are grades 1 through 6, it is approximately $20 to $25 a year to keep that child in school. In high school, it's about $100 to $150 a year to keep the child in school. We feel that if we don't help these very poor children, they have no hope and they have no chance. Also, we follow their progress. We look at their report cards every month. We meet with their teachers. We visit them in their homes, make sure their parents are continuing to help them with their studies and their homework. So we provide the material support, but we also provide the personal support, because every child needs someone who knows that they're interested in how they're doing in school. Also during the summer, we run a remedial program for about 150 children. So the ones who sort of did not do so well in school, they go to school for 5 weeks during the summer, and that's usually much more of a fun program because it's not so many children and they get a lot more individual attention.